Alright, on the way to... Saan tayo punta? 10-year anniversary. Papagas muna kami. Update. 1 hour na nakalipas sa aming biyahe. And still far from home. We're running at 100 na maabot ng 1.5 mo ngayon. At saka ang traffic pa rin. Dami-dami tao. Ba't ganun?
3 hours pa, no?
3 hours and 30 minutes. I don't wanna drive. I wanna be your everything, yeah. I don't need money, I don't need cars, 'cause girl, you're my all. Fall in love and now I know I can't be the only one. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Ganyan pala ang SM La Union. Very big. First stop over. Dito na kami sa SM La Union. Alam niyo na kung ano yan. Max's Sesses. 4-hour drive. Nakakapagod. We're gonna start the meal right at Max's Sesses. Got some sizzling tofu. Pancit. Ano pancit to? And some chicken. Chicken Tony. Touchdown La Union. Ando na kami. Malapit lang pala yung beach. Kaya maangas. Yan na.
Ay, sorry.
Ito na kami. Pasok. Pasok mo yung maleta. Kala mo napakalayo. Ang ganda ng aesthetic ng room. That's nice. Very nice. Oh, Gerbings muna ako. Bye-bye. Uy! Mali!
Kaya mo, walang medyas.
Da. Yay!
Yoy, yoy, yoy.
Malaglag. Tapos na kami sa morning swim. Balik na kami ng cottage kasi maghahanap na kami ng food para mag-breakfast. Kasi kahapon nakalimutan ko palang bagitin. Ito dala namin. Papunta dito sa La Union. 4.5 hour drive. Wala naman kapalya-palya. Very nice talaga. Galing yung jeepo. The place that we'll be going to would be Kuro La Union. We are now on the way to eat brunch at Kuro Terrorista. Gagawin yung pickleball court. Shit, ang init, ber. Dito ang Kuro. Curbside. So, ganyan sa Kuro. I'm back to parking. Shit, sobrang init. Busuguditis. Fuck! Ang init. Activity na kami for this trip. Ano naman, pickleball time.